let's start to make this task that's called Dominator, but it's really looks like task leader in the PDF description of this methodology, but maybe I'm not correct understand this. Okay, let's start. Choose our language. Our language will be Python. Python. Okay, confirm. And what we see? We have array that consists in n integers, and the denominator array r is a value that occurs more than half of elements that are. For example, there we have len 8, but one of them, 3, I see, happens 5 times. It's more than half. And let's write this function. Okay, they return this number or value or n. Okay. Okay. What we have? First of all, we need this. I solved this yesterday, but okay. What we have? We have n. It's len of our array. Yeah, and what we see. Also, we need half of our decision. It will be n div 2. And what we need more? If we talk about decision, if we talk about solving cross like stack, we say about we need this 0, and we go for k in our array, and we're trying to find if our size, because in the beginning it's so equal 0, we say that our size will be equal 1, and or maybe to say only like not increment, but say you will be your size will be 1, and after this, what we say, for example, our current value, what we will be compare with current value will be our okay, but it will be more charmant if we say like we value. Yeah. In other situation, for example, if our size Elsa, if it not for example, we have some stack, we ask, for example, if current value equal or not equal our what we now looking for, it also value, but it not it just value in our array current in this situation. yeah, and we say that our size, we say -1. Yeah, and because, for example, we have this array. For example, we say that we have 3, and we have next one 4, and we now in this situation, yeah, and because it's not equal 0, we compare this 3, it's not 4, and that because we remove this, we make our size -1, and our value will be still equal 3. Okay, and in other situation, for example, we have 3 and again 3. In this situation, we have 3 as value, and we compare it with this one, and it's not it's equal, and because we say that we make our size +1. Yeah, and after this, what we say, in this situation we have some stack, and maybe maybe if we have leader, if we have first of all, our candidate must be here, I think. We need this candidate. We need to see this candidate -1. Date, candidate. Yeah, it's now our dominator, but we made to know it if our size more than 0, more than 0, or not equal 0, it's okay. We made to say that our candidate to dominator will be our current value. That because, for example, in this situation, when we have 3, then 4, then we delete our array, and then but our size in this moment will be equal 0. But when we add the and our value again equals this 3, is this mean in this situation that we have candidate what really can be a dominator, but still not. And after this, we also can create this they equal also -1. It's not means that if we have candidate, it still don't means that we have this dominator. Yeah, and now we ask about we must to count it's more than half or no. We say that our count equal 0, and going from our array for we again need to ask this TTT. I think it's also will be useful for us. We go through our array and ask if we equal our candidate, we say we count increment count блин, sorry. Uh, mm, we increment our count, and after this we compare if count more than half. We say that the equal our candidate, but if it's not so, also yeah, and else yeah, if it's how we might just return return there. Okay, if it's not so, yeah, we don't need to write this else, because if not so, our d equal -1 and our denominator, and we just return this. Let's try to make our test. Okay, 3 element, but it's not denominator. Value 2 has only one occurrence. I make mistake. Something here. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, detected error. Got 3, but element is not denominator. Value 2 has only one. Maybe I'm not. The denominator of A is 3 because it occurs in 5 out of 8 elements. For A, normally in this with indexes sorry, maybe I'm not correct understand this description. Array I is a value that occurs in more than half of elements of A. Occurs in more than half of elements of, okay, 3. Do you need index? Why 3? The denominator is 3. Okay. And 5 is more than half of 8. I have elements, yeah, and 7. That given the array consisting and returns indexes of any elements of array A in which the denominator is occurs. Okay. We found this denominator, but we need index of this denominator, okay? And -1. Oh yeah, if D is candidate, and that because we must return this index looks like let's try to submit this one. It's like this, but we must return any index of this element, and let's try, let's look what it will be. Okay, 100%. Okay, yeah, just n or n, it really depends of it's okay. Till next time.